For the past 5 years, CO7 has grown from 9 employees to 110 employees. That's amazing in terms of growth. In terms of product demand, we have seen a growth increase as well exponentially, and we are ready to triple or quadruple our production capacity this new facility. We are able to store more finished products, more raw products, and of course a bigger production line. Innovation is at the core of CO7. For the past few years, we have developed different products, in particular VROP S, which is for the national and international markets. Some of our products imply different disciplines, meaning mechanical, electrical, electronic, and also chemical. What we see in the back are station breakers. They are called the VOX, and they go everywhere around the world, in deserts and in colder areas.